Watch AI create a procurement orders and supplier performance dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our procurement data file. Bricks immediately recognizes the data structure and begins processing. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. The AI is analyzing our procurement data, identifying key patterns in order statuses, supplier performance metrics, and lead times. It's automatically determining the most valuable insights to visualize. The system is creating multiple chart types, including order distribution by status, volume trends over time, and top supplier rankings. It's also building performance tables and lead time analysis. Our complete procurement orders and supplier performance dashboard is ready with 7 dynamic charts and 2 detailed tables. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view highlights our key procurement metrics beautifully. We can see order distributions, supplier rankings, and performance indicators clearly displayed for executive presentations. The interactive elements remain fully functional even in presentation mode. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through all our widgets, modify layouts, and dive deeper into any metric. Try Bricks today and transform your procurement analytics.